Hello everyone, welcome to Classmate Academy. In this video, today we are going to see SSC CGL 2023 mains questions. This shift is little bit, everyone is feeling that this shift is little bit tough, okay? But we'll try to analyze one by one question. Look at this question. P of A union B is equals to 5 by 9. P of A bar union B bar is equals to 13 by 27. P of A is equals to 11 by 18. Then the odds against event B. Okay. Odds against event B. First of all, if you look at P of A union B and P of A, P of A is given as 11 by 18. P of A union B is given as, you can take it as 10 by 18. It's conceptually, this question is actually incorrect. Okay, if you see conceptually it is incorrect. By using a formula you may do it. Okay, but it is conceptually incorrect. Why? Because P of A union B should definitely be greater than P of A. Okay, P of A union B should be definitely greater than P of A. But if you do it by using a formula, you may get it. By using a formula, how do we do it? We know that P of A bar union B bar is equals to 1 minus P of A intersection B. Therefore, P of A intersection B, you can say it as 1 minus 13 by 27, which is 14 by 27. And we know P of A, we know P of B. So we'll find out P of B. So P of A union B, which is 5 by 9 or 10 by 18, 5 by 9. P of A union B is equals to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So you can find out what is P of B. Take the LCM of 9, 18 and 27. We know that it is 54. Okay. So take the LCM 54. P of B is equals to 9 6 are, therefore 5 6 are 30. 18 3s are, therefore 11 3s are 33. This is going to be plus 27 2s are, therefore 28. Therefore it becomes 25 by 54. Try to understand what is the meaning of it. Okay, P of B is nothing but 25 by 54. Okay, there are 25 ways which are favorable to B. Okay, out of 54. So if 25 are favorable, you can say 29 are against. So he is asking you the odds against. He is asking you then the odds against event B. Odds against event B means, so odds against divided by odds in favor. These are favor, these are against. So you can say it is 29 by 25. Odds in favor means first favor divided by against. He is not asking you the probability of P of B. He is simply asking you odds against B, which means against by favor. Odds in favor of B means favor by against. But this question is conceptually wrong, because P of A union B should be definitely greater than P of A, or else at least you can say P of A union B is greater than or equal to. Okay, if it is in part. See, it is A. If it is B, in this case you can say P of A union B is equal to P of A. But anytime you take it, P of A union B should be definitely greater than what? Or greater than or equal to P of A, you can say. So it is conceptually wrong. Okay, but if you do formula and apply it, you will get it. So you can challenge these kind of questions. Okay, you can challenge it by saying P of A union B value is greater than or equal to what? P of A. From the top of a tower, the angle of depression of a top of a 10 meters high building is 60 degrees. From a top of a tower, 10 meters high building, depression is 60 degrees. It is 10 and the distance is 50 root 3. We know if it is 60 means it is 30 degrees. If opposite to 30 is 50 root 3, we know opposite to 60 is going to be 150. Therefore 150 and 10, this top of the tower is 100. This height of the tower is 160 meters. It is simple heights and distance question. You can easily do it. The marks obtained by the 15 students out of maximum of 25 in a test are given as 13, 11, 16, 15, 18, 12, 13, 14. You can see 2 13s here and you can see 2 15s here. He is asking you find the product of the modes of this set of data. So you need to find out the mode. There are two modes. One is 13 and one is 15 because 13 and 15 are repeating. All you need to do is just multiply the product. Okay, just multiply the modes. 13 into 15. 15 tens are 150, 15 threes are 45, therefore 195 you can say. Or else you can say 130 plus 65, also 195. A and B can complete a job together in 12.5 days. B and C can complete it in, see, A and B can do it in 12.5 days. B and C can do it in 18.75. Whereas A and C can complete it in 15 days. In how many days will A, B, C together be able to complete the same job alongside D, who is only 40% as efficient as C? First, you need to find out the efficiency of C as well. See here, 12.5 is nothing but 25 by 2. 18 3 by 4, which is nothing but you can take it as 75 by 4. 15. Take the LCM of the numerators, which is 75. Therefore, take their efficiencies. So, you can call it as one day work. 12.5 into 6, 18.75 into 4, 15 into 5. These are their efficiencies. You can say 2 times of A plus B plus C. If you add all of them, 2 times of A plus B plus C is equals to 15. Therefore, A plus B plus C is equals to 15 by 2. Or else you can say 7.5. A plus B is 6 units. A plus B plus C is 7.5. Therefore, you can say C is, if you take only C, that C is 6. How much it is there? 7.5 means 1.5, which is 3 by 2. This is C's efficiency. And what is D's efficiency? D's efficiency is exactly 40%. 40% means 4 by 10th of 3 by 2. 2 ones are, you can say 2 twos are. That is 6 by 10. That is 6 by 10. All you can do is A plus B plus C is 15 by 2. D is 6 by 10. Put together it is 81 by 10. 81 by 10 into how many days? It will do 75. 75, 325s are, 327s are. T is equals to 25 into 10, 250 by 27. 27 9s are 243. Remaining is what? 7 divided by 27. So how many days it will take? 9 7 by 27 days. The average age of A, B and C is 20 years. 2 years ago, the sum of the ages of A and B was 6 years more than that of C. If you take average of A plus B plus C, so A plus B plus C, sum is equals to 60 years. 2 years ago, the sum of the ages of A and B, 2 years ago C's age is C minus 2. How much more? 6 more. Therefore, these 2 and these 2 cancel. Therefore, A plus B is equals to what? You can take it as C plus 8. So, A plus B equal to C plus 8, you substitute here. 2C plus 8 is equals to 60. 2C is equals to 52. C is equals to 26 years. So, you can say the age, find the present age of C, which is 26 years. What is the single discount equivalent to? Order doesn't matter in percentages, you can take it any manner. 10%, 20%, 35%. You can use the direct formula, or else you can take 2 at a time. When I take 2 at a time, 10 followed by 20 is 28. I am using the formula x plus y minus xy by 100. 2 at a time I am using. 28 followed by 35. I am using the same formula. 28, 35, that is 63, followed by 28 into 35 divided by 100. 5 sevens are, 5 20s are, 2 10s are, 2 14s are. 98 by 10 is 9.8. 63 minus 9.8, 53.2%. Approximate also you do it, approximately also you do it, it is 100, it is 63, 63 minus 100 by 10, which is equals to, you can say it is 10, so around 53 will be your answer. So there is only one option which is around 53, you can do with approximation as well. The ratio of the length, width, height of the closed cuboid is given as 632. The total surface area of the cuboid given as 1800 centimeter square. Find the volume of the cuboid. Definitely I would say volume of the cuboid will be 6 into 6x, 3x, 2x if I take it the sides. 6x, 2x, 3x. The volume will be simply 36x cube. It should be divisible by 9. If it is divisible by 9, there is only option which is divisible by 9 is, you can say this. That's the only option which is divisible by 9. Definitely it should be divisible by 9. If not, how do you do it normally? We know 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, LB, BH, HL, 18 plus 6, 24, 24 plus 12, 36. Therefore, 36x square. I am using 2 LB, BH, HL is equals to 1800. 18 2s are, 1800s are. X square equal to 25 means x equal to 5. If x equal to 5, you substitute here 36 into 125. 36 equal to 25. 36 into 25 is 900. 900 into 5 is 4500. 36 into 25 into 5 you can do it. Equilateral triangle ABC surmounts on a square ABCDE. If you take an equilateral triangle, this is BCDE. It surmounts on the equilateral triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. We know all sides of a square are equal. Equilateral triangle, all sides are equal here. Now you can say the value of EAB, if it is theta or else x degrees. AEB, it is also x only because these two lines are same now, it's an isosceles triangle. So x plus 3x is asking you 4x. But here I can say it is 60 degrees, it is 90 degrees, 150. So 150, 2x equal to what? 30 degrees. Therefore 4x is equals to how much? You can say it is 60 degrees. Okay, equilateral triangle and a square, all of them have the equal sides. And see, triangle ABE. Triangle ABE is what? Isosceles triangle. We can travel 1/3 of the distance of the journey at a speed of 30 km per hour and the remaining distance at a speed of 40 km per hour. Okay. If we took total of 12 hours to complete the journey, what was the total distance of the journey? So I am taking the journey is divided into 1/3 and 2/3. Total journey I am taking it as 3x. Total time T1 plus T2 if I take it 12 hours. Time is nothing but distance by speed. So I am taking the distance as x. Speed, the first speed is 30 km per hour. Second speed is 40 km per hour. Put together 12 hours. X you common. You will get 5 by 60, which is equals to 12. 5 ones are, 5 12s are. X equal to 144. But don't be in hurry and say 144 is your answer. No, your distance is 3x. So 3 into 144 is simply 432. So 144 3s are 432. P is to Q is 3 is to 4. Q is to R is equals to 4 is to 7. So if you look at P, Q, R, 3, 4, 7. He's asking you P plus Q, Q plus R. P plus Q is 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 3 plus 7, 10. It's the easiest of all the questions. Simply the given ratio is also very clear. It's like 3:4:7. Then after you can say 3 plus 4 is 7. 4 plus 7 is 11. 3 plus 7 is 10. Okay. The moment you look at P plus Q, it should be 7 parts. Okay. 7 parts you are getting it here. There also you can say it is 7. It's a multiple of 7. There is only one option which is there. The average of 25, 46 and y is equals to 11, which means the sum is 25, 46 plus y is equals to 33. 25, 33 means 8 left. Y is equals to 8 minus 46, which is equals to negative 38. It's a simple sum. This one also one of the easiest question given. 3 cards are drawn, one after the other, with the replacement from the pack of cards. What is the probability of getting a first card is a jack? See how many jacks are there in a suit. Okay, there is only one jack out of 13 cards. There are 4 jacks out of 52 cards. So first card you want it to be jack. Jack means 1 by 13. And you want your second card to be black card. Okay, there are 26 black cards and 26 red cards. Therefore, you can say 26 out of 52, which is half. And you want your third card to be even numbered card. Out of 10 numbers, we have only 5 even numbers. That is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 5 out of 13 even numbers. In each suit also, if you look at, it is enough. 20 by 52, you don't need to write. Just write 5 by 13, that's enough. So, you can say 169 into 2, 338. 5 out of 338. Here, one more thing you must remember, he is clearly giving you the order. First card you want it to be what? First card you want it to be jack, second card you want it to be black, and third card you want it to be even numbered card. If you did not mention the order, you must do 3 factorial. Into 3 factorial is necessary if you did not mention the order. But here clearly order is mentioned, so you don't need to do into 3 factorial. Okay? Because you want the first card, second card, third card in an order he is giving you. If you want it in any order, it can be first card can be what? Jack, or first card can be black card, or first card can be what? Okay, it can be an even numbered card. If it is like that, then you, okay, hold together, you can do 3 factorial ways, that is 6 ways. Like that also you can do it. Now see this one. 80 liters of a mixture of spirit and water in the ratio 7:9 is present in a container A. 20 liters of the mixture is transferred to another container B. Then the container A is filled with 20 liters of water. Simply you are taking 20 liters out of it and you are adding 20 liters of water. It is nothing but you are replacing 20 liters of mixture with water. Okay. So initially what was the spirit? 7 out of 16 is spirit. But you are replacing 1/4. 1 minus 1/4. So you can take 7 by 16 into 3/4. Later on the spirit in the container A is 21 out of 64. Initially spirit is 7 by 16, later spirit is 21 out of 64. You are taking 20 liters of 7 by 16 spirit. You are taking 32 liters of the mixture is again transferred into container B. So what you are transferring in container B? 20 liters in which spirit is 7 out of 16. Then after you are taking 32 liters in which spirit is how much? 21 out of 64. Right? You can do N1 A1. Simply you can cancel 4 5s, 4 8s. 5 into 7, 35 out of 16. 21 by 8. Divided by N1 plus N2 is 13. 35 plus 42, 77. 16 into 13, 208. See, you can say spirit is 77 and remaining 131 is water. So what is he asking you? He is asking you the ratio of water. Water is 131, spirit is 77. So it is 131 out of 77. So you got the spirit 77 and water as 131. So water is to spirit he asked. Water is 131 and spirit is 77. You only concentrate on the spirit. So it is first replacement followed by a mixture. Okay, mixture in B. B, you are taking two solutions. One is 20 liters, another is 32 liters. 20 liters of a solution which consists of spirit in 7 by 16 parts, okay, and 32 liters of solution in which spirit is 21 out of 64 parts. So that's how you can say. I think this is one of the toughest question which is asked, okay, but if you understand the question, it will be very easy. At a certain time in the park, the number of heads and the number of legs of monkeys and human visitors, okay, are counted, and it was found that there were 54 heads and 148 legs. So human have 2 legs, here monkeys will take it as 4 legs, okay. If it is 54 heads, if human and monkeys, if I say into 2, you should have how much? Only 108 legs you should have, but how much you have? 148, which means 40 more. This 40 more because of monkeys, okay, we are taking 2 more legs extra for each monkey, so divide it by 2, so you get total overall 20 monkeys are there, okay. Try to understand. For monkey you have 4 legs, for man you have 2 legs, so total we have 54 heads, means we'll take 2 and 2 for each, 108 only, so remaining 40 is because of monkeys only, okay. So because each monkey has 2 legs extra, so therefore how many monkeys are there? 20 monkeys, then only you are getting 40 extra, okay. Number of monkeys, if there are x number of monkeys, you get 2x legs more, then okay, twice the number of heads if I calculate. This one is simply calculative. A is equals to, difference is 33, sum is 83, difference is 9, sum is 83, cancel, therefore it is 11 by 3. 1 by A is 3 by 11. This is 1 by A. Look at B. 26 minus 15 is 11. It is 41. 56 minus 15 is 41. 56 plus 15 is 80. Sorry. 56 plus 15 you take it. Okay, it will be 71. Cancel it, okay. So 20 by B you have, so or else you can take it as B by 1 by B you take it. So 1 by B will be how much? 71 by 11. 11, okay, 71 by 11 it becomes. 1 by B is 71 by 11. 20 by 20 into, okay, 3 by 11. So you can take it as into 3 by 11. 71 minus 60 by 11, which is 11 by 11. Which is simply 1, and take it as simply 1. Find out what is 1 by A, 1 by B, you substitute in that. 1 by B will be what? Simply 71 by 11, taking it as 71 by 11. Okay, what is 20 by, okay, 20 by A is nothing but what? 20 into 3 by 11, that is 60 by 11. 71 by 11, 60 by 11 will be 11 by 11, which is simply 1. The average weight of the first 13 persons among 14 persons is 78. 13 persons is 78. 14th person is 33 kgs more than average. Average is X. This fellow is 39 more. We are using the concept of mixtures. 13 into, this is more means this must be less. X minus 78, which is equals to 39. 13 ones are 13 threes are. X equal to 81. He is asking you 14th person's weight. So 81 plus 39, which is equals to 120. So it is 120. Okay, 14th person weight is 120. B purchased 15 kgs apple at a rate of 180 per kg, okay, from a wholesaler who uses a weight of 950 grams for a kg weight. B sold all these apples at 180 per kg but used a weight of 750 grams. Now see, when B purchasing he is purchasing that, he is assuming that it is a kg, but he is only getting 950 grams. But when B is selling, B is only giving 750 grams only, which means B's investment is 750 grams only, but B is getting 950 grams of worth, because he is getting 1 kg means he is not getting 1 kg, he is only getting 950 grams. Okay, so his profit will be, you cancel and cancel, then after you will be getting 5 15s, 5 19s, 4 out of 15 into 100. 3 you do it, 20. 80 by 3 is nothing but 26.666. or else you can take it as 26.67. So what is your profit? 26.67 is your profit. A solid cube whose each edge of length 48 centimeter is melted. An identical solid cubes of each of the volume 64 is formed. Okay, he is asking you how many smaller cubes are there. First you find out the volume of the larger cube, that is 48 into 48 into 48. Volume of the smaller cube is 64. 64 you can write it as 4 into 4 into 4. It will be easy for us, like 12, 12, 12. So 12 cube means how much? 1728 smaller cubes you can form. Volume of the larger cube by volume of the smaller cube you take it, you will get the number of smaller cubes. The cost of 2 pencils and 3 pens. Pencils you take it as x, pens you take it as y. So you can get 2x plus 3y is equals to 55. 7x plus 2y, you get 65. Multiply it with 2, multiply it with 3. So what is he asking? 1 pen and 1 pencil, x plus y he is asking you. Cancel this, 21, 4, you will get 17. 17x is equals to 110, 195. So you are getting 85. Therefore x is equals to 5. You find out y. So 10 plus 3y is equals to 55 means 3y equal to 45, y is equals to what? 15. So what is x plus y? X plus y is equals to 20. It's a simple solution, okay, simple algebraical way of doing it. 2 pillars of equal height stand on either side of a roadway, which is 150 meters wide at a point in the road between the pillars. And the elevations of the pillars are x and y, and tan x is given as 2 by 5 and tan y is given as 3 by 5. Then the height of each pillar. 2 equal heights only given. If I take it as h, if I take it as h, x degrees, y degrees, right? If tan x equal to 2 by 5, which means if 2 parts is h, therefore what is 5 parts? 5 parts is going to be what? Okay, so or else you can take it as tan h is nothing but what? 2 by 5 is equals to h by something. What is this something? You will get it as how much? This something is equals to 5h by 2. This is 5h by 3. So this total distance is nothing but 150. 5h by 2 plus 5h by 3. 5 you take common. H by 2 plus h by 3 is 5h by 6 is equals to 150. 25 ones are 25 6 are. Therefore h is equals to how much? 36. So here simple. Use the tan theta formula. You will get 5h by 2, 5h by 3. Add both of them is equals to 150. H is equals to what? H is equals to 36. A 6-digit number 11P9Q4 is divisible by 24. Divisible by 24 means it is divisible by 3 and it is also divisible by 8. Then the greatest value, see 904 is divisible. Then after you can say 944 is divisible, 984 is divisible. So the greatest value of Q is 8. So definitely answer must be divisible by 8. There is only one option which is, okay, there are two options which are divisible by 8. 32 is also there. Now find out the value 984. Sum should be divisible by 3. Divisible by 3, divisible by 3, you have 2 here. 2 plus what is the greatest number which is divisible by, okay, which is divisible by 3. So I can take it as 2 plus 7 is also divisible. So you can't take it as 2 plus another number after 9 you have 12. So 2 plus 10, P cannot be 10. So you can take P value up to 7. So you can take it as 7 into 8. The greatest value is 56. Because P value is equals to 7, Q value is equals to 8. Hari, Kamal and Lalit contest an election in which 6050 votes were polled and none of the votes were invalid. So there is no invalid votes. All of them are valid votes, and we know clearly Hari plus Kamal and Lalit put together how many votes? 6050. Kamal got 42% more votes than the total votes obtained by Hari and Lalit. So Kamal's vote 42 more means 142 by 100. Hari and Lalit. You can simply cancel it if you can. This is 50. This is 71. What is the ratio? Kamal, Hari plus Lalit. 71 out of 50. Total parts 121 now. 121, 5 is a 605. Therefore, you can say into 50 you do it. Hari plus Lalit is 2500. Right? And he is clearly giving you that if Lalit obtained 8%, 8% means what is 1%? 60.5. What is 8%? 60 into 8 is 480 plus 5. 480, sorry, plus 4. 484 you take out. Remaining is what? 2060 notes Hari got. Because Lalit got 484, therefore Hari got 2016. That's how you need to do this. Find the value of, you will be having square root. The point values will get cancelled simply. Okay, all the points get cancelled. Now try to factorize them if possible. 124 is 3 into 31. 9 into 31. Okay, then after you can say 594. This is 600 minus 6. 600 minus 6 you can write it as 99 into 6. 264 you can write it as 11 into 24. Right? 31 comes out. Now 9 11s up. 3 2s up. Therefore, you can take it as 31 and 31, it is 31 simply. I'm sorry. This is 4 into 31. 31 comes out. 9 anyway cancel. 4 1s are, 4 6s are. So 11 comes out. 6 also comes out. Therefore 66 comes out. So answer is 31 out of 66. Okay. So here this is 4 into 31. This is 9 into 31. 11 into 24. 99 into 6. Just factorize it, you will get it. So this is 4 into 31. I have written it as 3 into 31. So but correct it, 4 into 31 it is. Two friends A and B started a business by investing 1,50,000 and 2,50,000. So in what ratio they are investing? Okay, you can cancel it in 5 table. 5 3s are and 5 5s are. They are investing in the ratio 3:5. They have agreed to distribute their earnings in the same ratio of their investment after an year, and the profit is 6 lakh. You divide 6 lakh, 3/8 and 5/8. Okay, so you can say 3/8 of 6 lakh and 5/8 of 6 lakh. See, what is 1/8 of 6 lakh? 1/8 of 6 lakh is 75,000. 3 into 75,000. 1,000 you keep it as a side, 225. 5 into 75 is 375. I am dividing 6 lakh in this ratio, right? And after that, what you are doing, each of them adds 50,000, okay, their respective profits invested in the different project. If this project gave a yield of 4,22,000, you are adding 50 and you are adding 50. This becomes 275. This becomes 425. Cancel it in 25 table. 25 8 plus this is 25 11s are. 25 11s are. Then after you can say 25 17s are. Put together 28 parts. So you want a profit of A which is 11 parts out of 28 parts of 4,20,000. 4 zeros you keep it aside. 14 2s are. 14 3s are. 30 you keep it. 1s are, 15s are. Therefore you can say 1,65,000. What is the profit of A? It is 1,65,000. Zeros, 3 zeros you can keep it aside. One chord of a circle is given as 20.5. Then the radius. See, a chord can be at most diameter or else less than the diameter. Okay, but I can say definitely diameter will always greater than or equal to the length of the chord. Diameter means 2r. So diameter is always greater than or equal to the length of chord. Therefore 20.5. Therefore radius is equals to radius greater than or equal to 10.25. Okay. Diameter, what is the logic we are using here? Diameter greater than or equal to chord. Okay, because diameter is called what? The longest chord in a circle. Okay, if it is longest, then you can say it as a diameter, but diameter will always be greatest. If you show it, if I show it graphically, curd can be here, 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 or else at the max it is the diameter. Okay, so diameter always greater than the length of the curd or equal to the length of the curd, because diameter itself it becomes the curd. A set of data represented in the form of a frequency distribution table with a class interval and their respective frequencies had a mode 48.5 and the lower boundary of the model class is 46.5 and the frequency of the model class is 34. Frequency of the interval preceding the model class is 32. Thereafter succeeding the model class is 25. You remember the formula, mode is equals to what? Lower limit plus frequency of the model class minus preceding frequency 2 times of frequency f0 f2 into height. Mode is 48 point what? 48.5. Lower limit is 46.5. Therefore, what is 48.5, 46.5? If it comes here, it becomes simply 2 is equals to. What is the difference between model class frequency and previous? 34 and 32 is 2. F1 minus F0 is 2. F1 minus F2 is 9 into H. 2 you cancel, H is equals to 11. Okay, here is the difference between the model class frequency and previous, model class frequency and previous, model class frequency and successive after that. Okay, first try to simplify what is in bracket. Okay, if it divides, it goes up and down, so you can say 12, 21, 14, 15, 45, 24. 1s are 2s are, 1s are 3s are, 7 2s are 7, 3s are 2 and 2, 3 and 3 cancel. So this whole thing becomes what? This whole thing becomes simply 1 only. This whole thing becomes 1. Right? You calculate this. This is 4 by 5 into 25 by 24. 5 by 6 you are getting. 5 by 6 into 1 by 6 is 5 by 36. Okay. Now you take out these braces. Therefore, you are getting 1 by 8 plus this one is 5 by 36 minus 1 plus 27 by 36. You can take the LCM or else you can make it simple. Okay. What is 5 by 36 minus 1 is 31 by 36, you can write minus 31 by 36. And if you make it simple, this will be 4 by 36 or else 1 by 9. So 1 by 8 minus 1 by 9 you are left with, which is 9 minus 8 by 72. 1 out of 72 is your answer. So you can simplify in mind, and finally you are getting 1 by 8 minus 1 by 9. What is 1 by 8 minus 1 by 9? Simply 1 by 72. A compound interest on 10,000 at 20% per annum is 4641, which is nothing but you are getting 46.41%. 46.41 we already know it is 10 followed by 10 followed by 10 followed by 10. Okay, this we know already by looking at it, you can say it 10% 4. If the compounded is done half yearly, that is the reason what half yearly means 20 becomes 10. 4 half years. 4 half years means half into 4. It is 2 years time. By looking at it, you can say you are doing 4 times compound with 10%, which is nothing but 4 half years. So therefore, you can say 2 years. Don't go for 4 years because it is only half year, no? So that is the reason it is simply 2 years. A merchant fixes the selling price of the goods at 42% above the cost price and he sells the goods at 15% discount, marked price, his profit percentage. You are increasing it by 42. You are allowing a discount percentage of 15. Round off to the nearest integer. 42 minus 15 minus 42 into 15 by 100. 5 3s are 5 20s are 21 10. So it is 6.3. You take it as 6 because it's a nearest integer you want. Okay. So you can take it as 42 minus 15 or else 42 minus 21 you take it. So what is 42 minus 21 you have? Here 21%. because that's the nearest integer. 6.3 you are taking it as 6 only. 42 minus 15 minus 6 is 21. 42 minus 21 is simply 21% profit you are getting. So closest you can answer it. The simple interest earned 2800 at a rate of 10% per annum for 3 years is X. Okay. So what is X? X is 3 years 10% means 30%. 30% of 2800. So you can say simply 3 into 280. Because 10% is 280, 30% is 3 into 280. Okay. And 1736 is the simple interest earned on 6200 at a rate of 14% for Y years. Now find out what is Y. 1736, principal is 6200, PTR na 14%. We don't know what is 200. 2 zeros, you cancel it. 14 ones are. Then after 14 twos are. Then after 14 you can say 4s are. 1s are, 2s are. Therefore t is equals to 2. Sorry, y is equals to 2. He is asking you x by y. 2 1s are, 2 140s are. So what is x by y? 3 into 140 is 420 rupees. Right? Out of all this question, only the first question, if you look at P of A union B, should be definitely greater than or equal to P of A. That's the only mistake in conceptual. If you use the formula, it's all right. Okay. I think all the questions are doable. Okay. But you have to have a conceptual clarity in order to do this. Okay. You can do much more faster than I did. Okay. Thank you everyone for watching the video, and please subscribe to the channel Classmate Academy and like and share our videos. Thank you.